Okay, I'm going to show you an interesting way to use the analytics in Studio Beta. First, you're going to go down and click on Analytics and open up that page. And you're going to see there's an overview, right? And I want you to go to Interested Viewers. And let's go to How to Install Fluid Master Toilet. Open that up. Right now, here we are. We are in our page and it's showing all the different videos. How many impressions that I got, and how many views, and the average duration of the watching time. This one's 4 minutes. So what you can do is you can go to this individual video and you can click on this analytics for the video and it'll pull it up. So now I've gone directly into one specific video, and if I go up here I can do an overview, which shows me time, watch time, 10,000 minutes, views, 2,400 subscribers, and so forth. And it's basically just about this one video. Now, if I want to go to this breakdown for reach viewers, I can do that. And then I can figure out where my traffic sources searched. So I click over here, and it tells me all of the searches. The number one search was Fluid Master Universal Toilet Repair Kit. Number 2 was Fluid Master Toilet Fill Valve Replacement. And it goes down the line. You can do this with every single video, so that if you're going to make a video that's close to this, you could use these terms in the body and description or title or tags of your next video that's going to be similar or comparable to this video. So let's go back. We're still in this one individual video. We can look and see what the viewer interest was. It shows basically your time watch, your average duration. That's pretty good, 4 minutes. People stayed on that video a long time. Built-in audience, let's take a look at that. So the gender, they're not given enough data, but sometimes you can get that. And then you can go to how much money you earned off this video. So it kind of shows your estimated revenue is $10. Estimated monetized playbacks, almost 3,000. Playback CPM 7. So, and you can run through here and look at the different dates. Ad types, I had a skippable video ad, non-skippable video ad, bumper ads, display ads, and non-skippable video ads. Auction, I don't know what that is. My estimated revenue, and my YouTube premium revenue. So I made 14 cents off of YouTube premium on this video too, besides the 10 bucks. So that's not too bad. So let's go back. There we go. And so that gives you an idea. Now you can look at all these other different videos. Let's go to this black belt video and just look at it. It's taking a while to load. So we've got 7,000. So we got 7,000 minutes watched. We've got 4,500 views. Added 10 subscribers, or did we lose 10? I don't know. It's got a plus there. I'm not sure. Estimated revenue $4. So it gives you all the breakdown on that. And let's find out where people found out about this. Black belt karate. So these are the keywords. So any of my karate videos, I want to put black belt. Probably I want to put karate black belt is what I want to put, because that seems to be the key number one search. So this gives you a lot of good information that you can use for individual videos. Like you could go back to other videos that are similar to this and put some of these keywords in your descriptions and your tags. And that helps you build an audience. Even though if you go here, it says build an audience. The genre here, all male, it looks like. 18 to 24 is the most. Top country is India, then the United States, then United Kingdom. So India, a lot of people speak English in India, and that's an English video. So let's go back. That takes us back to this page here, and this is all the videos that I have. This is showing the top 50 results. And it's in the last 28 days. All your impressions, all your views, and your average view duration and your watch time. So I had 207,000 impressions. I had 35,358 views. The average time for most video was a minute, over a minute and a half. And the watch time in actual minutes was 57,624. That's not too bad. And in this, then it gives you the breakdown per video if you want to look at it. Those are your top videos. But that's how you use it. Now, if you want to watch it, you can click here. And being a political season, I've got an unskippable ad that just came up. So I've taken the audio out of it because I didn't want to have to burden you with it. And as soon as it's done, then we'll get to our video on fixing the toilet. So let's go ahead and go back. So that's how that works. Pretty simple. All right, so once you're in this page, you're like, well, how do I get back to my studio beta? You click this, nothing happens. You click on your name, same thing happens. You click on this, it just shows you the videos. You click on this, it asks you to create a group. How do you get back? Well, it's pretty simple. You just pull your cursor to the top right corner and click on this little X. Bam, you're back in your analytics. And if you want to go to the full dashboard, just click on dashboard. All right, that's it.